Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. This is Rocket One Incorporated RKTQ filing a Form 8, announcing their name change, and it is a big deal because it signals a massive pivot. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This company is ditching its old identity to boldly go where few have gone before, aiming for the stars and a whole new industry. Let's dive into what this massive shift means. So here we have the latest filing from what used to be HOTH Therapeutics Incorporated, but is now officially Rocket One Incorporated. This report is all about the final steps of their transformation. They were previously known as HOTH Therapeutics Incorporated, but as of May 2026, they officially filed to change their name to Rocket One Incorporated. This wasn't something that required shareholder approval because it is just a name change, but it is a huge symbolic move. Their common stock has the trading symbol RKTO on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. This ticker is now associated with their new identity. The core of this filing is about changing their official company name. They filed a certificate of amendment to their articles of incorporation with the Secretary of State of Nevada. This officially changes the company's name from HOTH Therapeutics Incorporated to Rocket One Incorporated. This change is effective as of May 26, 2026. This is where things get really interesting for investors. Not only is the company name changing, but so is its trading symbol effectively. Starting May 28, 2026, their common stock will trade under the symbol RKTO on the Nasdaq Capital Market. This is the actual stock market symbol that investors will be using to buy and sell shares. They are making a clear break from their past and launching into something new. This section confirms that the company issued a press release on May 27, 2026 to announce all of these changes. This is the public announcement of their rebranding and strategic pivot. The press release is attached, so we can see they are talking about this big change. This part gives us a little more background on the subsidiary side. They had already planned to form a subsidiary named Rocket One Incorporated earlier in April. Now, it seems they are renaming that subsidiary to Rocket 1.0 Incorporated. This suggests a structured approach to their new venture, possibly separating the new operational focus into a distinct entity. This move is effective on the same day the main company's name change takes hold. This exhibit is the actual legal document that changes the company's name. It is the official proof of their transformation. This is the press release that details the announcement. These often contain more descriptive language about the company's future plans and the reasons behind strategic shifts. Based on the news headlines, this press release likely talks about their new focus on space technology, specifically nanomagnetic AI chip technology and ultra low power computing. It's a massive pivot from their previous focus on biotechnology. And finally, the report is signed by Rob Nye, the Chief Executive Officer. This indicates that the leadership team is fully behind this strategic direction. This filing is all about a renaming and rebranding exercise. But what is truly significant here is the underlying strategic shift. HOTH Therapeutics Incorporated, a biotech company, is disappearing, and Rocket One Incorporated, with its sights set on the space economy, is emerging. This isn't just a cosmetic change, it is a fundamental repositioning. Companies that make such dramatic pivots often see significant volatility and can either soar to new heights or falter if the new strategy doesn't pan out. Think of the historical pivots, for example, when Kodak, once a titan of film photography, struggled to adapt to the digital age. Their attempts at reinvention were met with mixed results, highlighting the challenges of industry transitions. For Rocket One, the success will hinge on executing their new vision for space technology and capturing market share in what is a very ambitious and capital-intensive sector. The risk I am watching is whether they can truly deliver on the groundbreaking technology they are hinting at, or if this is a speculative bet on a nascent industry. What I am actually looking for is how they will fund this new venture and what tangible progress they make in the space economy. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded for more insights like this video, and subscribe and join our community in the description.